What's up, guys? It's me, Sam Ray, and please join me unbox my new Galaxy Note 9 along with this Clearview standing cover. This is my first time to do an unboxing video, so please join me. And we're back. Okay. This is my first time to do an unboxing video, so come on, join me. Okay. I got this new Note 9 and it's in the S Pen is yellow, so it means the unit is ocean blue. Okay. This was released 3 months ago, but I really wanted this phone, so I just bought it. Okay. Okay. Let's do the unboxing now. And I bought it along with this Clearview standing cover. Okay. Let's see what's in the box. So I think this is the ejector pin for the SD cards or the SIM card. Okay. And let's get the unit. This is the unit. This is the ocean blue. And see the ocean blue like that. Okay. And just put it aside for now. Let's see what's in the box. Okay. Sorry. Okay. This is the fast charging adapter and the USB connector and the earphone, the cord for the adapter. And this one is the spare for the S Pen, the tip of the S Pen, I guess. Okay. Let's set this aside. And let's jump into the unit itself. So, okay. It's the ocean blue. Okay, let's just take this off. Just take off this cover thing. And the one in front as well. Okay. Yeah, okay. I'll turn it on. Okay. I'm sorry, this is my first time to do an unboxing video, so bear with me. So it says, sorry, it's blurry. The signature Samsung logo. I'll do an unboxing as well for this Clearview standing cover. Okay, it says starting Android and it says, can you see it? No. Just for a moment. I'll just do the fingerprint scanning first, okay? Just bear with me. Okay guys, I already set up my fingerprint on this device, so I'm ready to use it. And yes, let's do the unboxing for the, where is it? The Clearview standing cover. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry I don't say much, or because I'm so excited to do this. I've been waiting for this for 3 weeks because it was delayed for a week because of the weather here. There's a winter storm, so I'm just really excited for this. Okay. Doing the unboxing for the standing cover now, and let's do this. Okay, let's just take the plastic on this, and then let's just put our, there's a manual there, there's a guide there. I was wondering, there's nothing before the guide. no manual. Huh? There's no manual on this Galaxy Note 9. Some strange, but whatever. Okay, it's a manual for the standing cover, so let's just put it. Okay, this thing is, the color is matched for my ocean blue Note 9 and this one standing cover. Okay, let's do this. Let's just put this thing here. Okay, I don't have any screen protector yet, but I'm gonna find one tomorrow or the next day. Okay, and that's it. See, this is standing cover for that, and you see this one. Okay, just exit this one. Let's see. Okay, where's it? Exit. Okay. No, I don't need Samsung Pay, so I don't need Samsung Pay. Just stop. Jeez. Bear with me. I'm new to this. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. This standing cover, when you close it, yeah, you can see the time and all the notification of this. Okay, I don't know if this will keep lit or okay. And this is standing cover if you want to watch some movie or thing, or if you want to watch some YouTube. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. That's it for now, guys. Have a good night. And I love a new Note 9. Peace out, guys. Peace out.
Gotta catch 'em all.